connected. Now you have your watch on the, you can see your watch on the left side of the screen in the calendar mode. So it's running regularly and showing the time. So here we have the I'm running the application for the first time, and I have to agree to all the terms and the privacy notices. And over here you have to basically scroll through the entire text, agree to all, and press OK. Once you're done that, you have to allow your application to access your files. Now I have to set my Bluetooth settings, so the device's Bluetooth has to be turned on. There we are, and I've turned on my Bluetooth. Now, accessing the your watch, first of all you have to find your watch, and now I know my Edifice model number. It's the EQB1100, and there it is. And this application says that I have to hold the the lower right button for at least 2 seconds, so the watch will be ready to pair. And there it is. Now let's see if the app registered. Yes, there it is, and says if I want to register the watch with the app, I say OK. And currently you have the seconds hand move to the Bluetooth logo on the watch. The key feature I want to say about this usage of Bluetooth is that the watch will automatically synchronize the time setting value. So basically, when you connect your watch with your phone, the time zone will automatically update, and it will show you the correct time based on your time zone. Now, let's see what are the utilities for this watch. You have the guide, you have the stopwatch, world time, and the utility. What is the guide? Can I open the guide? Or is it the watch waiting for the, is the app waiting for the watch to show the correct time and date? Because I'm pressing the, I believe so, but I will have to wait for the rotation. Okay, you have it over here. Now, you on the upper left side of the screen, you have the battery level indicator. You have the guide, view guide, and it will basically show you what are the basic functions and the key notices on the dial. All I've said on the previous part of my tutorial videos. Stopwatch mode. You have the all of the data and the log import option. You have the world time mode over here. So currently on the right side you'll see my home time, and you can set your dual time to any time zone you want. So if you want to say, let's say New York or anything you want, just press the find that city on the map. And what are the utilities? You have the alarm. Seems very much similar to the EQB1000 watch. Now over here you have the ability to set your watch alarm settings. Accidentally left the app. Now let's see what does the gear button do. You have the tutorial, phone finder setting, operation sound, time for connecting, the time adjustment. So basically all of the adjustments I did manually on this watch. There's the possibility for you to do them using the application, and it is much easier than the fiddling with the watch and the watch crown and the watch buttons, but you know, the times are getting very easier. You have the adjusting the home position, and basically that's used when the watch's hands are not aligned, and you can set them over here. Very cool feature. And those would be the basics. Now I want to go on with the phone finder settings. How to use the phone finder option on this watch. Currently you see the app, and I've previously disconnected the watch from the phone. And how to use the operation, that's done by simply pressing this button over here for at least 4 seconds, and the watch should send a signal to the phone over there and it will start ring. So let's go. 1, 2, 4, and we should now expect the sound on the phone over there. And there it is, it says fine, okay. And with that, the phone finder is clarified. And with that, I would conclude this app review. I would say a very basic functions for this watch, but nevertheless, this is now a smartwatch, and you still do get a really cool functions and features. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch videos. Thanks.